Hey guys, it's Mr. Terminator back for a video. And today we're gonna make a Brawl Stars video. Before you watch the video, please subscribe and turn on notification and like this video. Thank you. So we are using BlueStacks to play. You can install it. Just search BlueStacks and then there'll be a website. Mostly I advise you to use it in computer. Obviously you'd use it in computer, so yeah. Okay,
Time for trouble.
so guys, you can obviously see I tried, you search Brawl Stars hacks, you want to get, they put codes, right? And then they put codes. So I tried that. It doesn't actually work, but when I used it for the first time, I got Sprout from a mega box. Now I get coins. I opened these box 3 times in a row, but I didn't get anything. So it obviously means it doesn't work. Robo Rumble, Rico, El Primo. Okay. So for today, I think I will use Jet. So I have all the super rares, and I wanna select solo, duo, solo. Wait, no, Robo Rumble. I wanna do Robo Rumble with Rico. Rico's a decent brawler, but he's overpowered by tanks. But only like long range, a bit long range tanks can beat him. Like Bull, Frank, or El Primo. But a Bull, Frank, or Rosa. El Primo is not really effective as he has very low range. Enrico has really less health, so yeah. Okay, this bot. Ow, 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 it's just so funny. Lantan. Oh no, too many. Uh, oh wow, that's like a lot. Big robot. Big robot. The more Rico's bullets bounce, they travel farther. So yeah, see, and then I do that. It doesn't travel much. Sorry, oh. Oh no! Oh, that was really close. No. I guess Rico's not really good at. Yeah, Robo Rumble is not really good. No, 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 no. I wanted to switch the game mode. Two El Primos. Okay. Mm. Oh, it's over there. Oh, sad. I didn't even. So many bots. I hate the bots. They're so annoying. That's why. No, that's hard though. That's really hard. Well, at least I get tokens. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Solo. Wait, what do I get today? 10 coins. Do I recommend you not to buy a coin, power points for your brawlers from the shop. But if it's a mythic brawler or something that's very useful, then then you can buy it. I also recommend you, if you didn't support yet, I recommend you to use, okay, code Lex. But you can use any other code like Chief Pet, HBS, Kairos Time, or anyone. So let me use my golden Bali. I wanna use Bali today. Solo. Oh no, it's not good in solo. Solo. I think I wanna do duo. Oops. Rosa, Bull, 6 games of heist. What's today? Siege. Don't want siege. I'll do solo. Solo. What should I choose? I think I'll go Daryl. So funny. It's the so funny. Daryl. Now this guy dies. No, 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 not a Jackie and Elf. No. Easy win. Just get it. Now farming all of it. I have my super. El Primo will not stand a chance against me. That was easy. Mm, 2. Okay, it's 136 though. That's decent. Another mega. Well, I don't have my brawl pass, but at least I still get mega, still free awards. Okay. Hmm. So now I will use Bull. But El Primo and Rosa can easily beat him. Bull. Yeah. Decent. Whoa, 2 bulls. Dit, dit. Uh, BB, decent. Oh no. Okay, Jackie, decent. Ha ha. Oh no. Don't do that again. Yes, go for the. Oof. Yeah, BB's like still good. BB is very good. 12. Okay, I think I wanna use. I really want BB, but like I don't have it. So. Dude. Whoa, 3 more tokens. Okay, I rank 14 ball. One more game and I'm gonna 15, rank 15. I kill this Jack. No, not going against a Frank. Actually, if it's for boxes, use auto aim. Oof, yeah. I did dumb stuff there. Don't use auto aim for brawlers. Only use auto aim for boxes. And now I can get my. Okay. Still no. Decent boxes. And I want to get to there because I want 20 gems. Can buy a new skin or something. Mm. Oh, another bow. No! Whoa! Shoot, Jackie. I, next round I should be more careful. Okay. But don't camp around and do nothing, cause you're being a bot.
There is no death, only a change of will.
Okay.